What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Kelly B coming back at you with another video, y'all. Hey, this is the moment of truth. This is the moment that y'all been waiting on, man. Everybody been hitting me up. Well, I ain't gonna say everybody, but there's been quite a few people hitting me up on my Instagram, on my Facebook, and just kind of commenting in the different comment section on different videos. Hey, man, what exhaust did you go with? So, man, today we're gonna get into the exhaust right after this, y'all. But let me tell you this, man. I'm gonna give you 6 things what I look for when I'm buying an exhaust. I'm gonna give you 6 things. Okay, the first one, y'all. The first thing that I look for when you go buy something, when you buy anything, you look for the best stuff you can get for your money. You know what I'm saying? That's exactly what you do. And at this point, I had like 4 different exhausts in mind. And y'all know some of the exhausts that I was looking at. That was HPI, that was Chromeworks, D&D, and Bassani. Those are the 4 that I had been looking at. But y'all, I finally got it on here. I put it on myself. Y'all, it's easy to install, very easy to install. But y'all, let me give you these 6 things before I actually show you what exhaust your boy went with. 6 things that I look for when buying different products from different companies. First of all, I look for the customer service, man. How is the customer service? Is the skills there? Or they actually treating you right? They answering all your questions that you ask, and everything just on point. You know what I'm saying? Even when you call or if you walk into the dealership, you know what I'm saying? Or they actually taking care of you. That's what I mean, that customer service. The next thing that I look for as a company, man, you know, warranty, y'all. Do they have warranty? Do they honor their warranty? Tell me, what do you do with your warranty, man? If the paint start to fade on the exhaust, do you honor that? If some people got a year warranty, 6 months, 3 months, some got a lifetime warranty, and they cover it for a lifetime. So long as you got that exhaust on your bike and you rocking it, and you got some colors going on the bike, you know, they'll warranty that. But if it's something that you done, they can see that you done it yourself, they're not gonna warranty that. So yeah. But the next thing, baby, is quality. How is the quality of the pipe or the lights that you getting? You know what I'm saying? Quality means a lot. Is the welding gonna break? You know, does it look good? Will it stand up to all the rumble in the jungle that your bike gives out? Is it gonna shake or loose? Is it gonna break? You want about that, man. So you got the customer service, you got the warranty, you got the quality. You got to have great quality, man. You definitely gotta have that. You know, some don't go for the quality. They just go for the next thing that I'm coming up on, sound. Some go for the sound. They just stuck on the sound and nothing else, man. That's all they want. They want it because it sounds good. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to exhaust just because it sounds good. You know what I'm saying? Hey, it could be the best sounding pipe. It could be a cheap pipe with great quality, sound bad. Cheap pipe, good quality, sound good. You know what I'm saying? And that brings me to my next thing. How does it perform? How does the exhaust that you get or the different things that you get for your bike, how does it perform? Does it give you the horsepower you need? Does it give you the torque it needs? You know what I'm saying? You definitely got to have, you know, some of us, I'm gonna put it like this. Some of us go for sound and looks, sound and quality. Some just, as long as it sounds good, they good with it. Not me. I got to have the performance. I got to have the quality. I got to have the warranty. I got to have the customer service. I got to have all of that. And the next one, you know, the performance is a big thing on the bike because a lot of us, you know, we get into the bagger racing thing now. We want to race. pull out on somebody real quick. You know, we want to do all that. So what do you actually look for? And then my last and not least thing is looks. The boy got to look right on the bike. It's hard for me. I don't knock nobody who got the shorty pipes, the mid pipes. Hey, to each his own. I like the long pipe. That's just what I like. That sounded bad, but I like the long exhaust. So, but yeah, that's what I like. Because I think you get the most horsepower out of the long exhaust. I think the short exhaust and the mid exhaust cut some of your horsepower. And then it depends on how your guy tune the bike as well. You got to know what he's doing. You got to have a good tuner too. You got to have a good person to tune your bike after you get all these different products on your bike. You know, all dealing with the motor. You got to get that baby done right. The next thing, I think that's it. That's 6 right there, ain't it? That's 6, baby. But yeah, you got to get your bike right, man. The customer service, the warranty, the quality, the sound, the performance, and the look. Some people go for the look and the sound. Some people go for the performance and the looks. Hey, my bike got to have all those. If you can find a company that's giving you all 6 of those, man, you A-okay, man. You should be good. If they taking care of you and you getting everything you need out that pipe, dealing with it when you get it on a dyno machine and you getting the horsepower, you getting the torque, and it looks good on your bike, and they warranting their pipes at, you know, and everything, you know, the paint is good, you know, everything, man. You got to think about those different qualities instead of just going to get exhaust costs. Everybody got that exhaust. Everybody love that exhaust. But if you like me, you looking for the sound, the quality, the warranty, the performance, the way it look on my bike, the customer service, I'm looking for all that. And if I can get all that out of one pipe, I'm cool with that. But now we are down, and I'm gonna tell y'all what exhaust I have. Whoo! What I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna pull the bike down here. I haven't started the bike. We're gonna get a cold start on Chrome, y'all, and let you hear it. And you tell me what you think down in the comment. If you like it, I know some of y'all be like, man, why you go with that pipe, man? You know, this is my bike. No, but you know what, man? I went with those 6 qualities right there. But hey, we're gonna pull the bike out to the front here and get a cold start up on it. Let you hear the exhaust and let you see what I got. Let's get to it, baby. Now the moment of truth, y'all. We're gonna fire this baby up. We're gonna show you what exhaust we went with on Chrome. Some of y'all gonna be shocked. Some of y'all already knew it, but let's get to it. I'm gonna have my son walk around here and show you this exhaust. I went with the Chrome Works 2-in-1 Outlaw system. The turbine and cap and the reducer. So we're gonna fire this baby up. Y'all tell me what you think about it. If you like it, go get you one, man. It's well worth it, man. When something meet all your 6 qualifications that you put out, get it. about that exhaust, baby. Oh my man, what do y'all think about Cone, man? Hey, they met all of my qualifications, man. All of my qualifications, all 6 of them. The warranty, the customer service, the quality of the pipe, the horsepower, the sound, everything. It gives you all of that. Because if this go bad, they're gonna warranty that. They're gonna warranty that. That's Chromeworks, man. 2-in-1 Outlaw series. Y'all see it. And man, I gotta give a big shout out to a few people right here. I gotta give my dude, SJ Bagger, man. Appreciate you, bro. You know what you done. Hey, if y'all hadn't checked out SJ_Bagger, man, y'all missing a great channel. He got the cleanest Road King over there. Performance Road King. Go check him out. Go check out my dude, Briz Biker from Australia. He's getting a new bike. He got a Road Glide, but I think he was trading in to get a new one. And check out my boy, Big Vern Moto Life. Check him out on YouTube as well. Great guys. But man, that's gonna conclude this video, y'all. Oh man, I'm loving the sound, dude. Hey, yeah, D&D was my second choice, y'all. Be honest, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. HPI was my first choice, but 17 weeks, I wasn't having that, man. And plus, I thought it may throw the flow of my bike off. So you know me, if you know anything about me, I like the flow. Just think about the way I dress, my shoes, match my shirt, my hat, everything. So I just had to keep calm like it is. But man, till next time, the next grind, you go out there and get you a Chromework Outlaw 2-in-1 and get your bike right, and let's get on this highway. Let's get right, baby. Daytona 2024, Killer B coming, baby. I'll see y'all there, man. Till next time, next grind, we out. Peace.